Welcome to AZ Solutions, Basic Formatting. We'll take a look at clearing the formatting, SuperScript and Subscript. To clear formatting, if we select a piece of text, apply several different formatting options such as colour, bold, increase size, change font. Rather than trying to remove each individual step one at a time, simply go to the Home tab and select Clear All Formatting. SuperScript, if you need to say, for example, the temperature is 20 degrees, so you want to say 20, but you need a little zero that sits above and then the capital C for Celsius. Before you put in the little zero, you need to select the option for SuperScript. It's in the Home tab and SuperScript. Once you press it, you can now do your little zero. You'll need to turn this off, just like bold, it's on and off. Press it again, and now a capital C. For Subscript, for example, H2O, capital H, we want a 2 but a small 2, so we'll use SuperScript, submarine, down, Superman. Let's have a look. So we press Subscript, press your little 2, you need to remember to turn it off and then put in a capital O, H2O. Thank you for watching AZ Solutions.